see the hot. Them they pray make a die, make a buy, make a stop. Why me? I want me to look and feel it do my way, help the boy. Baba me thank you. They pour water for grand for me, make a sleep, make a fall. Why I go for? Kashati my wo, kashati my road, dada. Kashati my wo, kashati my road, boshi mada. Kashati my wo, kashati my road, dada. The way this life to me, it dey make me go gaga. Yeah, I'm a freestyle, I'm a street style, I'm a bamotila like me mo to the big star. Tiba tu jila roma tu malowa tipa. Ọlọ́mọ jìyà, mo dẹ̀ ti rí yà. Ìgbà kan ló wù mí lọ ṣògo wọn ní India. Even though I wan go, yeah, even though I wan fly. Where I wan see money book, better fly. Ayé yìí le gan, this life is too tough. Mo kiri ata títí mo tún kiri pop off. Gbogbo kan láyé la mọ̀ pé money is involved. Ọ̀rẹ́ mi gbà wo yé ó gbọ́mọ mẹ́ta. Ó tún lọ ra mọ́tò táyé mọ̀ sí Toyota. Nígbà tó máa ta ó ta ní Tatakuta. Ó wá lọ sunkún lábẹ́ bíríjì Ọjọ́ta. Ó wá wò títí iye owó bí ọ̀gọ̀rọ̀. Kò tún lè sọ̀rọ̀ lọ sunkún nínú kọ̀rọ̀. Àwọn èèyàn ṣiṣẹ́ lọ́sàn pẹ̀lú òru. Òjò pa òun pa òun sùn ó lọ́rùn.
Enjoy your day. That one for us. Yeah. And you come back now. Let guy you play big ball food. How does that? Right, you are there. God bless you, sir.
This is delicious.
Thank you. So, what do you have to say to us? It's really good.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Not me, the entire catering department. Okay. Love you. From all, right?
Yes.
Anyway,
Love you. God bless you.
Better.
Mr. Patrick,
This is
It is so nice.
See that I gave you copy. Okay. You never finish. You don't want my
What do you have in the drink?
Bring more rice. You don't want me to drink one side.
Sprite and
Grenadine.
oh, gelatin and Sprite. You deserve it. You deserve it. Just drop it inside. Then it melts. So what would you call it? Gelatin and Sprite. You should give it a name.
What's your name? Taiwo.
No, call it Thai drink. Thai drink.
Yeah, that's how it's done.
Thai drink. Thai one. Oh, whoa. Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
Wow. It's yummy.
Yummy.
Come on, join me.
No. So, how do you feel?
This is a surprise for me. I just thought it was just going to be a normal happy birthday. But it turned out to be a different
Joshua.
I'm so happy.
Happy birthday once again.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate it.
Enjoy your day.
Thank you, sir.
From Project Loud.
Thank you, Project Love.
So the one coming out is pineapple rice. Pineapple rice is on the way for you to see. Just now, bless everybody. I beg, keep behind. Keep behind. Yeah, continue. Say happy birthday, my friend.
This is yummy.
As it's very delicious.
Tasty. Delicious.
I never expected it.
Life is good.
Yes, that is good.
I never expected it.
This is basmati rice. Basmati rice with sauce.
Okay, what
Shredded,
happened again?
shredded chicken sauce. Presented to you, sir.
Okay, thank you. A meeting girl.
So this is not pineapple rice. So this is pineapple rice.
Yeah.